So one of the most common traps that I find people get stuck into, and I have gotten stuck into plenty of times in my career, is this idea of I can overindulge solely because I know I can make up for it at a later date. And get clients all the time coming in Monday morning saying, I way overdid it over the weekend, so I got to work extra hard and do a little extra core work and stuff like that to make up or undo the damage. Now, I don't mean to be an asshole in these situations, but I found that the most helpful thing to do is to actually tell people, sorry, nope, not a damn thing you can do. Damage is done. You're going to suffer the consequences. You can't make up for that lost ground. In which case they feel kind of like, but there's got to be something I can do. But the reason why I say that is because I'm trying to prevent them from getting into the trap of saying, I can overindulge because I can make up for lost ground. Credit card companies work on the same way. Go ahead, put it on credit card. I'm sure you could pay it off later, which they're hoping you're going to get caught in that trap because that's how they make their money, off of lots of interest, which is how I wound up in huge credit card debt. I'm sure I could pay it off later. I'm sure I could pay it off later. And then you're in over your head because by the time you've done like an hour-long workout and you've worked up a good sweat, you feel like you've made amends for the weekend, even though you're not even close. So then you think, well, I'm back to square one, even though you're not. And then you say, oh, well, I might as well indulge again because I know I can burn it off or I can come back or pay it off later, as it were. And you really can't. And that's how you get caught into a lot of credit card debt, as I unfortunately did. And also you can go over the stressful cycle of overindulgence, overexerting yourself, overindulgence, overexerting, and it's just this cycle that does not end with you being the winner. It's a very stressful thing that beats up your mind, body, and lifestyle. So when we understand, no, you can't pay it off later. You don't have recourse. That doesn't mean I can't indulge it once in a while, but don't overindulge. It prevents that overindulgence saying, okay, I can have a beer or two, or I can have a slice of cake, but I know I'm not going to make up for it, so I've got to be prudent in my indulgences, and that way you keep moving forward rather than that endless trap that just beats you up all the time. Let me know if you're stuck in that trap. See if I can help you down below in the comment section. Love to hear from you. Be fit, live free.